Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn the English of kitchen utensils together. Let's get started. Spoon. Spoon. An object with a handle and a round, curved part at one end, used for eating and serving food. I need a spoon to eat my soup. I need a spoon to eat my soup. Fork. Fork. A small object with 3 or 4 points and a handle that you use to pick up food and eat with. I use a fork to eat my salad. I use a fork to eat my salad. Plate. Plate. A flat, round object that is used for putting food on. This plate is dirty. This plate is dirty. Bowl. Bowl. A round, deep dish used for holding soup and other food. We need a big bowl for the popcorn. We need a big bowl for the popcorn. Cup. Cup. A small, round container with a handle on the side, used to drink from. I would like a cup of tea. I would like a cup of tea. Glass. Glass. A hard, transparent substance that objects such as windows and bottles are made of. Can I please have a glass of water? Can I please have a glass of water? Pot. Pot. A round container, usually used for storing things or cooking. We can cook rice in a big pot. We can cook rice in a big pot. Pan. Pan. A metal container with a handle that is used for cooking food in. I'm going to fry some eggs in the pan. I'm going to fry some eggs in the pan. Spatula. Spatula. A tool with a wide flat blade used in cooking for mixing, spreading, or lifting food. I need a spatula to take the cookies out of the oven. I need a spatula to take the cookies out of the oven. Whisk. Whisk. A kitchen tool made of wire that is used to mix eggs, cream, etc., or to make such food thicker. Where is the whisk? Where is the whisk? Peeler. Peeler. A tool, etc., that peels something. Be careful with the peeler. The blade is sharp. Be careful with the peeler. The blade is sharp. Quiz time! Answers.